Hi students, good morning. Hope all of you are fine. Come on, let's continue the class today, ma. 9th class social. 9th class social students, take out your social text, ma. See, we started the topic, ma. What the topic is? Our Earth. See, and I sent you all a video, ma. I sent you all a digi class. I sent you all a video. I hope you all enjoyed the class, ma. Did you all or not? I hope you all enjoyed and you all enjoyed the class. Much better, okay, ma? So, this is compared to the last previous video, ma. So we have seen the thing like about we saw our universe, the sun and the earth in the previous topic, ma. The previous topic. So let's open our social text, ma. Social text, come on. Open social text, ma. Come to page number 4. Take a pencil in hand. Take a pencil in hand, my students. The evolution of the earth. Evolution of the earth. Scientists are still debating how our earth was formed. See, scientists even now also they are debating, they are they are trying to find out how our earth was formed. How the earth was formed. Most scientists are of the view that earth began to form around 4.5 million years ago. So most of the scientists, many scientists, they are in a view that the earth began to form not now. It is very old, many years ago. Let's see how long ago. Began to form around 4.5 million years ago. How long, ma? It's about 4.5 million years ago. Am I clear? So it is in the story, not now. It began 4.5 million years ago. The earth has reached its present form through several phases. So the earth has reached the present form through several phases. It began as a ball of swirling dust and clouds. So how did it start, ma? Online? How did it start? It began as a ball of swirling dust and clouds and passed through a molten stage. Which are our earth at the very beginning. At that time, the earth was very hot and was constantly bombarded by massive rocks and other materials from space. So at that time, the earth was very hot, and constantly bombarded took over by massive rocks and other materials from the space. From where, ma? From the space. See, I showed you all in the previous class. You all saw the digi class. Is it not? So, but one thing, I couldn't get the class in English, ma, so I had to send you all in Telugu. Okay? Anyway, it will be clear for you all to understand. In this way, the size of the earth grew. So, the size of the earth grew. The earth was so hot that it was molten. The earth was so hot, ma. That time the earth was very hot. That time what it was in? Molten. In hot liquid form. At the very beginning, the earth was in hot liquid form. If you boil a thick soup containing many substances, you may have observed that the heavier particles tend to go to the bottom and lighter particles come top. Yes. If you boil anything, ma, what happens as you boil it, the more you boil it, the heavy particles go down. And the lighter particles come up. See, when your mother is cooking, preparing any dishes or in the kitchen, you just go in the kitchen and observe what is being done when your mother is boiling anything on the stove. What happens there? The heavy particles go to the bottom, and the light particles come up. You can go to the kitchen today, ask your mother, and just observe. Okay, ma? Have a look. So you'll understand. These lighter particles cool at the top and form a layer of crust like ice cream. So these lighter particles which come to the top part, they cool like dust. They become like dust and they form like ice cream. Similarly, while heavier substances formed the part of the molten core, lighter substances rose to the surface and cooled. So when the earth was boiled, what happened? The heavier substances went down and stayed there, whereas the lighter substances came up. Slowly, an upper crust of lighter and cooler materials formed, covering the molten interior. See here, online. Slowly, an upper crust of lighter and cooler materials formed, covering a molten interior. So this is what we have found. See the crust. So we have the layers. We have 3 layers in the earth. So we will see. Don't worry. As the earth's interior contained to cool, it contracted and the outer crust wrinkled, forming ridges means mountains, and basins, lower areas which became oceans later. So what happened? The wrinkle areas, the outer areas became formed mountains, and the basins, the lower areas became oceans later. So again here, the atmosphere of the earth consisted of different kinds of gases. So the atmosphere of the earth consisted of different kinds of gases, including water vapor. So even water vapor is a gas. Water vapor is a gas. So most of these gases were such that life as we know is today, could have not survived on it. So this is what the many gases are there in that. All these gases were in the earth. It didn't have oxygen, which is necessary for us. So actually, what is the most essential life giving thing? Oxygen. What more? First of all, oxygen is more important. Second comes water. First what in it? First in it, oxygen. At the very beginning, earth added oxygen. Oxygen. That was the basic. That was the main need for a living thing to live. It took a long time for the air we breathe to develop. So it took a long time for the air that we breathe in now, oxygen, to develop. The rain filled the great basins on the earth's crust with water. So what happened? As it rained, the rain water filled the basins with what? With water, with rainwater. Thus the oceans were formed. So that's what happened. So the oceans were formed. How were the oceans formed at the beginning? Because of the rainwater filling the basins. For perhaps one half of the long span of Earth's history, the planet Earth remained barren and lifeless. So starting at the very beginning, the planet Earth was barren. What do you mean barren? Barren, empty and lifeless. The planet Earth was totally empty. Barren is totally empty and lifeless. Had no life. Then life appeared in the ocean. So first of all, where life appeared? Life appeared in the oceans. It slowly developed into diverse plants and animals. So from the oceans, it slowly developed into plants and animals, including human beings over millions of years. So slowly life developed, including plants, animals and human beings. How many years ago? Some millions of years ago. So millions of years ago. So this is what we have learned today in this. The second thing is there are three layers. Internal structure of the earth. So the three layers. What are the three layers? One is crust, mantle and core. That we'll see in the next class, students. Okay, Today we have seen the topic. What topic, We have seen about the evolution of the earth. How life started on the earth. And actually how water was formed. And what is the most essential and the important thing for a human to live? Oxygen. How oxygen was formed? What were the first things which gave life? Trees, animals, and then humans. This is what we have learned today in this class. Okay, So I think you are enjoying the class, students. Yeah, I know. Okay. Hope it. So today, let's write your homework. I think many of you have your materials. Many of you have bought your material books. The fourth question: why is it difficult to study the formation of the earth and its structure? Page number 12, fourth question. Read and write the question and answer one time. Write the question, fourth question, one time. Write it neatly, including the date and the name of the lesson. Write it and post me as well in the WhatsApp. Students, bye. Take care. Be free, secure.